Hey friends! Welcome back to American Juice, where we bring you fresh, fun, and flavorful juice recipes to boost your health and brighten your day. We believe that juicing should be an enjoyable experience, and we're here to make it easy and exciting for you. Today, I'm super excited to share with you a unique twist on a classic favorite, our American apple pie juice. This recipe is inspired by the comforting flavors of a homemade apple pie, but in a refreshing, drinkable form. This one's not just delicious, it's also packed with nutrients to keep you feeling great. Here's what you'll need. 4 fresh apples, preferably organic to get the best flavor and nutrients. 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, which adds that warm, spicy note reminiscent of a freshly baked pie. A small piece of fresh ginger, about the size of your thumb, to give the juice a little kick and some added health benefits. A pinch of nutmeg, just enough to enhance the flavor without overpowering the other ingredients. And a touch of maple syrup, about a teaspoon, to add a natural sweetness that complements the apples perfectly. All right, let's get juicing. First up, wash your apples thoroughly and cut them into quarters. Make sure to remove any stickers and stems. No need to peel them. The skin has lots of great nutrients. Plus, it adds a bit of extra fiber to your juice. Next, add your apples to the juicer. Make sure your juicer is clean and ready to go for the best results. Once the apples are juiced, it's time to spice things up. This is where the magic happens. Add your ground cinnamon, a small piece of fresh ginger, and a tiny pinch of nutmeg to the apple juice. These spices not only enhance the flavor, but also add a wealth of health benefits. Trust me, these spices give it that cozy apple pie flavor we all love. It's like having a slice of apple pie without the guilt. Finally, stir in a teaspoon of maple syrup to add a natural touch of sweetness. This step is crucial for balancing the flavors. Now give it a good stir, pour it into your favorite glass, and enjoy. Take a moment to appreciate the beautiful color and aroma. The result is a beautiful golden juice that tastes just like apple pie, but in a glass. It's a delightful treat that you can enjoy any time of the day. It's perfect for a morning boost or a midday pick-me-up. Whether you're starting your day or need a refreshing break, this juice has got you covered. So why is this juice so great for you? Let's break down the benefits of each ingredient. Apples are rich in fiber and antioxidants, which are fantastic for your digestion and overall health. They help keep your gut healthy and can even aid in weight management. Ginger is known for its anti-inflammatory properties and can help with digestion too. It's great for soothing an upset stomach and boosting your immune system. Cinnamon and nutmeg add a burst of flavor and come with their own health benefits, like helping to regulate blood sugar levels. They also have antioxidant properties that can protect your cells from damage. And maple syrup in small amounts provides a natural sweetness without the refined sugars. It's a healthier alternative to regular sugar and adds a unique flavor profile. If you love this recipe, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss a new video. Your support helps us bring more delicious and healthy recipes to you. We've got so many more delicious and healthy juice recipes coming your way, inspired by American flavors and ingredients that you can easily find. Stay tuned for more exciting and nutritious juice ideas. Also, leave a comment below and let me know what kind of juices you'd like to see next. Your feedback is invaluable and helps us create content that you love. I love hearing from you and creating content that makes you excited about juicing. Your enthusiasm keeps us motivated and inspired. Thanks for watching, and remember, drink fresh, feel fresh. Keep experimenting with new flavors and enjoy the journey of juicing. See you next time on American Juice. Until then, happy juicing.